How do you refund all Google Play purchases? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna show you the ways to refund all Google Play purchase. So in order to refund all Google Play purchase, you just have to go ahead and log in into your Google Play Store. And when you're logged in, that's gonna take you to the page, and then press the profile icon from the top right. Go to help and feedback located right at the bottom. Next thing, what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and open up your help and feedback page. Over here, you just have to press the search for help button and then type in refund all Google Play, or you could just type in request a refund. When you actually go ahead and type in that, you just have to go ahead and click on request your Google Play refund, the first link, and it's going to take you to the other field where you have to go ahead and read all of these and click the continue button. Once again, confirm it all, and then you just have to go ahead and provide in the details about the item or a product that you wish to get rid of or that you wish to refund. Then add all of the necessary details and all that, and you'll have successfully refund all Google Play purchases. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.